Hi guys.
Welcome back to Robertson's Belly Acres.
Welcome. Today is moving day.
Moving day. Okay, so we have these big ones that Rusty hatched in the incubator. And we have these little ones that, there's the little one, that we got for Mother's Day. My mom and I got for Mother's Day. So it's time to move these little ones out because they're in there with the day-old meat birds. So these guys are kind of bullies because they're bigger, and that's just normal. So we're going to move these guys up the hill with the two retired mamas so that they can stay protected and so that they're not beating up these little ones. You guys, the colors on these are just beautiful. I don't know if you guys have had a chance to watch all the videos on these chickens, but Rusty hatched them in the put them in the incubator, hatched them. We had them in a brooder in the garage, and we are now, then we graduated them to the small coop with a light upstairs. They learned to use the little ramp, and now they graduate to the bigger coop up on the hill. So we're not ready to put them in the coop with the active mamas yet because the rooster's kind of mean, and we know that the active mamas will probably be really mean to them. Now the mamas up on the hill, they're quite a bit older. We call that the old bitty retirement home up there. They're still laying every now and then, but they're so docile, it's hard to let them go. Now that mama right there, she's probably the sweetest girl, but she eats eggs, so she's been exiled. Exiled. Okay, my dad jokes are flying.
You ready to take a walk?
All right, well, we're going to take these up on the hill, you guys.
Okay, so this is the retirement home up here. Fixing to find out what it's like to not be retired anymore. So we're going to go ahead and open this up.
The grandkids came to visit.
Yeah. We'll get this opened up and get these 10 put in with these two little old ladies. And see how they like that. I'm going to set that crate right inside here and see if we can pop it open and let them out. So we've got a little bucket of ashes here from the grill. Leonard was cooking yesterday on wood, so we're going to dump these wood ashes in there. That way it gives them that good ash bath.
Mud butt time and bedding changing time.
little bit of chicken duty. We're going to take this over here to our future potato patch. We're going to take all this hay that we've got here, and we've got a bunch more bedding and hay that we've got to get out here. So we can go ahead and plant our potatoes. And we've got our cups and sticks in here from our seed starts. We'll go ahead and get them decomposing. We've got this hay I got to get spread out. We've got some leaves to put on it. That way we can start decomposing, and we'll start planting potatoes this, late summer?
Late summer for the fall.
Lots of papas.
You guys, we have put all kinds of stuff out here. Most of our vegetables and like stuff like kitchen scraps and stuff like that go to our animals. So you've got the pigs and the chickens and everything, the goats. But like my mom caught a fish that died on the way home. It was a big one too, and we decided, well, we'll just feed it to the cats. But rather than feeding it just to the barn cats, we threw it out here in our little future potato patch. So anything we can get to decompose and make that soil rich, we are excited for it. We've never tried to grow potatoes like this before, so we're excited to take you guys on this journey to see what it's going to be like.
Really looking forward to trying this style of planting or farming, however you want to call it. I call it farming. But that way, hopefully, we can get a bunch of potatoes. That way, we can put them up for the winter and be ready to turn around and keep adding to it over the winter months, and we'll be ready to plant again in the spring.
Yes, definitely.
Yes? Would you like me to clean the plate? New bedding, fresh food and water. Alright guys, so that's our chicken duties.
Our chicken duties are done. Thank you guys for watching.
Absolutely, thank you. And if you like what you saw, make sure to hit that thumbs up.
Yep, subscribe.
Share it with your friends.
Yeah, I'm lost, you guys. I'm sitting here thinking about how many chicken coops we have and how we need to get everybody integrated eventually. But anyway, thanks you guys for watching, and like you said, hit the like, share with your friends, subscribe, comment,
smash that bell.
and until next time, God bless.
See ya.